Hi there guys, welcome back to another PriceCP Roblox Studio tutorial. Previously, we have learned how to create and script game passes in our games. Today, I'm just going to introduce another idea for you to make money, or in this case, Robux, in your games. So just go ahead and pick a game. I'm going to pick this one, Test 005, click on it. And then we're going to come over here, we're going to look at the menu, we're going to look for passes. Click on passes. I'm going to create a pass. For the name, I'm going to enter Fast Pass. And for the description, Fast Respawn. Go down here, Create Pass. You can see my pass is off sale right now, so I'm just going to click on this pass. And I'm going to go to the left side menu bar here. I'm going to click on Sales. Set on the item is for sale. Let's sell it for 10 Robux. Which means I'm only going to get 7 Robux out of this. Click on Save. Pass updated successfully. Now I'm going to click on Cancel. So I'm back over here. And if you look, you can see that this pass is now for sale for 10 Robux. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to need the pass ID. So I'm going to click on these 3 dots here. And I'm going to copy Asset ID. And now let's go to Studio and I'm going to show you what to do with this pass. So here we are inside Roblox Studio. You can go ahead and go to your server script service and add a script, or if you have seen our prior tutorial, you can use that same script. It is the disable character load script. And inside your script, just enter the following lines. I'm going to need to paste in the pass ID that I've just created. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to do a Control V to paste. And now let's go over the script. So first line here, we're declaring the marketplace service. That is for our game pass. We're getting the player service, and then we turn off the character auto loads, which means the game is not going to auto load the characters inside this game. We're going to manually load the characters inside this game when we want it to. This here again is our pass ID that we have just created and copied, and is for sale for 10 Robux. If anybody want to come by and donate 10 Robux to me, I would gladly accept it. And down here we have the player added event. Basically, it is a player added event followed by character added event followed by a character humanoid died event. So when the character dies, it's going to execute the code inside this event. But for now, it's going to enter the player added event and it's going to come down to here. It's going to load the character. So this is where we manually load our character when the player first enters the game. But when the character dies, it's going to enter this function here. So inside the function, we're checking to see if this player owns the game pass that we have just created and sold for 10 Robux. If the player does not have the game pass, he's gonna have to wait for 20 seconds before we load his character. But if a player owns the game pass, the character would be loaded immediately. There is no waiting. Alright, so now I'm gonna publish this game to Roblox, and let's go to Roblox to take a look. So you can see that right now I'm inside the game with test skill, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and play around over here to see what happens when I die. How about I go to this bomb right here and stand right there, see if it's going to kill me. And I die, and you can see I respawn immediately because I have the game pass. But let's take a look at test skill. Let's see what happens when he dies. Okay, so now let's see what happened when Test Skill dies. Test Skill's gonna come to me, so we can see him. Here he is. Oh, he missed that bomb. Let's try this other bomb here. Oh, he kicked it. Let's try another bomb. Oh man, they're all gone. Alright, try this one right here. Let's see if it's gonna kill him. He dies. You can see that his head went all the way over there. He did not respawn. When I die, I respawn immediately. But look at Test Skill, look at his head is over there. He does not respawn for another 20 seconds. And now he has just respawned. Because Test Skill does not have the game pass. Oh, kill stack. Oh, somebody else just joined in. Look at that. This guy died. You see this guy? He died and he just stayed there for 20 seconds before he respawns because he does not have the game pass. Wow, so 4 people joined in now. He's back. Tuskill's back too. And I'm gonna play my boombox now. Oh, where's my boombox? Somebody took my boombox. Where's my boombox? Oh, because I don't have a hand. I need my hand. Let me kill myself. And I will respawn immediately. You see? Now hopefully I can... Yeah, I have my right hand to hold the boombox now. I have a boombox. Look at that. Alright guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. That is just a fun idea to use what you have learned to maybe make some money, make some Robux inside your games. Thank you all for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.